Hi everyone, this is just an extra video where I'll sort of finish this function and show you the output. Now just note that you don't need to understand this for any part of the course unless we decide to cover it later. For now it's just something extra that you can take a look at and just see the output of the code that I write, just for fun. So we're going to use another module. We're going to use PIL, and from PIL we're going to import something called image. And we can use that to open an image or, in our case, convert it to an RGB value, which will then give us the color, or we can take that RGB value and get a color from it. So we'll create our function, colourOfPixel, and this is going to give us the RGB value of a certain pixel. We're going to use an image, and we'll give it XY coordinates. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this from PIL. We're going to use image, and what we can do with it, we can open some image file. In our case, we're going to try this image that's at the start of the module, some teeth. And going back to this, we will use that image, but for now a placeholder will just be the word image, which is our parameter. So we're going to open that, and we'll store that opened file in something called image. We can then get the RGB value by using another function, the convert function. So we can take our image and we can convert it to RGB. And if I'm following along with how I sort of told you to do these things, I've already sort of messed up. I didn't run my empty function. But let's just see what this returns and see if it works. Let's do print colourOfPixel. Our image is going to be called filling in the gaps.png. And let's just pick some random coordinates. Let's just see if it runs. It runs, so we'll keep working with it. So right now we've got an RGB. We've converted the image to RGB. What we want now is the RGB values. This notation is definitely going to be new for you, but we're basically setting these three values because the function will return three values. It'll return a red, a green, and a blue values. And these are what we can use to figure out what the color is of a pixel. So we're going to use the function getPixel. And we're going to use x and y, which are our arguments, in our case 25, 25, and we'll figure out what the RGB value is at those coordinates. And we'll return RG and B. So the RGB value we get is this. Let's try feeding this into a color converter to see if it matches the color of the picture. 172, 223, 252, not 255. So this is the color. Does that look like it's in this image? So 2525 might be here somewhere. I would say it matches pretty well. So it looks like the program worked. This is just something extra for fun. Don't worry about knowing all the details. Just wanted to show you the output of this program as an example. That's it. Again, have a great weekend and good luck with Activity 1.